Hey guys, this is Dylan with A90 Shop. Today I'm showing you how to install our #1 product, the A90 Alpha spoiler. Let's get going. All right guys, step one, you're gonna begin prepping the surface. We're gonna first start with a detail spray and then move to an isopropyl alcohol mixture. And that is going to completely dry out and clean the surface, remove any kind of contaminants that can get between the adhesive for when you're mounting the spoiler. All right, step two, you're gonna take your Alpha spoiler. If you actually look right here, we removed the center piece of the adhesive, so that is going to actually stick to the car. But all of your outside corners here, any of the outside pieces of adhesive, you are actually going to remove only a small piece of it. That way, so when we're mounting it, you're not using the entirety of the adhesive. If you make a mistake when you're placing it, it's not perfectly centered or lined up. When you try to remove it, there is the risk with any kind of carbon fiber of actually breaking or cracking it due to this adhesive being extremely strong. So we're gonna begin mounting it now. Okay guys, so as you can see here, we have now mounted the spoiler. It looks fantastic. I wanna give you guys a couple quick tips on when you're applying it though. As you're lining the spoiler up, the best places that you can look for your reference are these side corners right here to compare to make sure that you have an even amount of space on the trunk on both sides. That way you're gonna give yourself a centered, clean look. Then if you come over here, after you found your mounting point, see right here, this is what we were doing earlier with removing a piece of the 3M adhesive backing, so that now we just pull it off, comes right out, and you don't have to deal with any extra removal or pulling the wing back off and putting it on. Is the best way to do it, is the best way to keep it simple and clean. Once you've found the place that you're happy with and you've removed all of the adhesive, make sure you apply even amounts of pressure throughout it to make sure that adhesive is taking to the trunk, and from there, you have yourself a brand new spoiler.